Hello students, now we are going to see matrices exercise 3.17. Exercise 3.17, question number 1. In the matrix A, write subdivision 1 the number of elements, subdivision 2 the order of the matrix, subdivision 3 write the elements A22, A23, A24, A34, A43, A44. Let us see the solution. First subdivision, the number of elements. How many elements this matrix has? 1, 2, 3, 4. Likewise, when we count, this will be 16, right? So, using this way, you may write. Otherwise, the number of rows into number of columns. This is also 16. 4 rows, 4 columns. This will be 16. So subdivision 1A has 4 rows and 4 columns. Number of elements equal to 4 into 4. That is equal to 16. Right? Subdivision 2. The order of the matrix. Order of the matrix. This concept is a well-known concept to us. So order of the matrix means number of rows into number of columns. It has 4 rows and 4 columns. So 4 into 4. Right? Then subdivision 3. Write the elements A22. A22 means the first number 2 mentions second row and the next 2 mentions second column. Right? So look here. A22 means second row, second column. So here the intersection is root 7. So A22 equal to root 7, right? The same way A23 means second row, third column. So it means root 3 by 2, right? A23 equal to root 3 by 2. Are you clear? Good. The same way, can you find A24? Yes, A24 equal to 5. A34, third row, fourth column, 0. Then A43, fourth row, third column, minus 11. Then A44, fourth row, fourth column, that is 1. Right? Then question number 2. If a matrix has 18 elements, what are the possible orders it can have? What if it has 6 elements? If a matrix has 18 elements, the number of possible orders. 18 elements means 1 into 18 we may write. 1 row, 18 column. Rows, column. So 1 row, 18 column. Then 18 row we may write 18 row, 1 column. Then the same way 9 into 2. When we multiply, we will get 18. Then 2 into 9. The same way 3 into 6. 6 into 3. Number of possible ways. 18 into 1, 1 into 18, 9 into 2, 2 into 9, 6 into 3, 3 into 6. Right? Okay. Then what if it has 6 elements? 6 elements means the order are 1 into 6, 6 into 1, 3 into 2, 2 into 3. The orders are 1 into 6, 6 into 1, 3 into 2, 2 into 3. Right? Orders are. Okay. Now question number 3. Construct a 3 cross 3 matrix whose elements are given by subdivision 1 Aij equal to modulus I minus 2j. Okay, we should construct a 3 cross 3 matrix. We should construct a 3 cross 3 matrix, right? Okay, Aij, this I mention rows. Okay, this j mention column. Right? Okay, now what is the meaning of modulus? Modulus minus 4 means that is equal to plus 4. Whatever the value it may be inside the modulus, we will consider as a positive value, right? Now let us see the solution. Given Aij equal to modulus of I minus 2j. Here we should construct a 3 cross 3 matrix. How this will be? A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33, right? Okay, the first element A11. A11 means modulus of 1 minus 2 into 1. 1 minus 2. Modulus of 1 minus 2 means modulus of minus 1, that is equal to plus 1. I told you, no? Okay, now A11 equal to 1 minus 2. We should apply A11 here. I equal to 1, j equal to 1. So modulus I equal to 1. So 1 minus 2 into 1, that is equal to modulus of 1 minus 2, that is equal to modulus of minus 1, that is equal to 1. The same way A12 equal to modulus of 1 minus 4 equal to modulus of minus 3, that is equal to plus 3. A13 is equal to modulus of 1 minus 6 equal to modulus of minus 5, that is equal to plus 5. A21 equal to modulus of 2 minus 2 equal to 0. A22 equal to modulus of 2 minus 4 equal to modulus of minus 2, that is equal to plus 2. A23 equal to modulus of 2 minus 6 equal to modulus of minus 4, that is equal to plus 4. A31 equal to modulus of 3 minus 2 equal to modulus of 1 equal to 1. A32 equal to modulus of 3 minus 4, that is equal to modulus of minus 1, that is equal to plus 1. A33 equal to modulus of 3 minus 6, that is equal to modulus of minus 3, that is equal to 3. It's a simple calculation. Then capital A equal to A11 value 1, so write here 1. A12 value 3, so write here 3. A13 write here 5. The same way A21 0, A22 2, A23 4, A31 1, A32 1, A33 3. Are you clear? Then subdivision 2. Aij equal to I plus j the whole cube by 3. So A11 equal to 1 plus 1 cube. A11 means 1 plus 1 the whole cube divided by 3, that is equal to 1 plus 1 2, so 2 cube by 3, that is equal to 2 cube means 8, 8 by 3, right? The same way A12 equal to 27 by 3, when we cancel 9. A13 is equal to 64 by 3, we cannot cancel. A21 is equal to 27 by 3, that is equal to 9. A22 equal to 64 by 3. A23 equal to 125 by 3. A31 equal to 64 by 3. A32 equal to 125 by 3. A33 equal to 216 by 3. When we cancel, this will be 72, right? Then A equal to, write A11 value 8 by 3, A12 value 9, A13 value 64 by 3, A21 value 9, A22 value 64 by 3, A23 value 125 by 3, A31 64 by 3, A32 125 by 3, A33 72. Next, question number 4. If a matrix given, then find the transpose of A. Transpose means rows will be column will be row. So we should interchange rows and columns. Given, write the matrix. First column will be first row. Look here, A transpose. First column 5 1 3. This will be first row 5 1 3, right? Then second column will be second row. Third column will be third row. Are you clear? Okay students, see you next class. Bye.